Let's test it. Our battery is just shy of 13 volts. We've got our negative coming off the battery going into our meter here so we can see what the amperage is. It's going to jump around because it's an on-off circuit, but we're going to connect this directly to one leg of the flasher. The other leg of the flasher is going to connect to two things. One is going to be this light, so you can see it turning on and off and see the speed of it. The other thing coming off that leg is going to be a 3 ohm resistor. Throw this up on here just as a second measuring tool. I'm going to connect the other leg of this light. Just going to stick this between them so they don't snap together. Alright, so now all I have to do to connect just the light is connect this to the battery, and then when I add this to the battery, it'll add the parallel circuit, which is that 3 ohm resistor, and that will show us the difference in amperage and speed. Since the resistor and the light are parallel to each other, but both in series with the flasher, we'll be able to put more current through a flasher and test it. Whereas the resistor isn't affecting how bright this is, so don't have to worry about that. Alright, let's get the light on. Flashing a little faster than normal, but we're going to just be doing a comparison. Alright, more current, faster flashing. Less current, more current. Now, to be fair to the commenter, there are other ways flashers can work. I'm fairly certain there are some digital flashers that do behave the way they're describing. Now let's see what happens if I blow on it. Since I'm blowing on it, even though I'm blowing towards it where air pressure would push it in, the cooling effect is actually keeping it sprung out so it doesn't turn on the light. Let's do that again. Now let's look at that again, but with the resistor connected so it flashes faster. So there it is flashing with 2 meters on it and the timer, so you can see that it's not being tampered with. And then here's the resistor in parallel to add some current. Higher current, higher flash rate.